Hello everyone, my name is Arun Murthy. I am the founder of Excellent Tutorials. I take classes in the evening, online classes for both Indian and international students. During those classes we solve a number of HOTS questions, which I am going to share some of those in this video series. So question goes like this: 2 men and 5 boys, they can finish a piece of work if they work together for 4 days. While 3 men and 6 boys, they can finish it in 3 days working together. Find the time taken by one man alone to finish the work and that taken by one boy alone to finish the work. Now we need to understand one thing. If it takes 10 days for a person to finish the work, in one day, in one single day, 1/10 of the work will be completed. So similarly, if it takes 20 days, let us say, if the person takes 20 days to finish the work, then 1/20th of the work will be finished each day. So the idea is to calculate what fraction of total work will be completed per unit time. It could be per day, per hour. In this case we are dealing with days, so we'll do it for each day. So we start by taking a variable b, which represents the time taken by the boy to finish the work alone. So in one day he will finish 1 by b of the work. Similarly, the man takes m days to finish the work if he is working alone. In one day he will finish 1 by m of the work. Now these 2 men and 5 boys, they finish the work in 4 days, which means again if you compute how much work is done each day, it will be 1/4 of the total work will be completed in one day. This comprises of work done by the men as well as the boys. Here 2 men will finish 2 by m of the work, 5 boys will finish 5 by b of the work, and therefore we get the first equation: 2 by m plus 5 by b is equal to 1 by 4. Now we are going to convert this into a linear equation by replacing 1 over m with x and 1 over b with y. So the equation becomes 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 by 4, which can be converted, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 4. So we get 8x plus 20y is equal to 1, which will avoid fractions. It's easier to work without fractions. Similarly, if you look at the second part of the question, 3 men and 6 boys, they finish the work in 3 days. That means in one day, 1/3 of the work will get completed. This comprises of the work done by the 3 men, which is 3 by m, as well as the 6 boys, which is 6 by b. So we get the second equation: 3 by m plus 6 by b is 1 over 3. Now again we are going to substitute 1 over m, instead of 1 over m we put x, and 1 over b we put y. So we get 3x plus 6y is 1 over 3. Multiply both sides of the equation by 3 and you get 9x plus 18y is equal to 1. So we have 1 and 2, equations 1 and 2. So what we can do now is eliminate by one of the, or we can solve this by using one of the algebraic methods: substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, etc. So I will use elimination. First equation, multiply by 9 to get 72x plus 180y equals 9. Second equation, multiply by 8 so that we get 72x plus 144y is equal to 8. Please make sure you multiply each and every term. I see students forgetting to multiply one or more terms and then you will not be able to get the answer. So the idea is to eliminate x here. So if we subtract equation 4 from 3, we get 36y is 1, which means y is equal to 1 over 36. So that's what we get here, y is 1 over 36. And we can substitute y in one of these equations. I am putting it in equation 1 and solving for x. So when I solve it, I get x as 1 over 18. But y is the reciprocal of b and x is the reciprocal of m. So if we take m and we want to find m, we take the reciprocal of x, so we get 18 days. And b becomes 36 days. So the man takes 18 days to complete the work if he is working alone, and the boy takes 36 days to complete the work if he is working alone. I have also given you a couple of practice problems here that you can work out yourself. So solve these. I am providing the answers in the video description. You can verify your answer. So these questions will help you with your board exam preparation as well as competitive exams like Olympiads, NTSE, etc. I hope this was useful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave some comments. Also share and subscribe so that others can find this material easy. Thank you.